Welcome to a hair tutorial. Today we are going to be styling Mona Lisa in this hairstyle that I have called the Lorax. Now, if there's an actual name for this type of ponytail, let me know. I just thought the Lorax is funny because it reminds me of the trees on the Lorax. Again though, if there's an actual name, don't shoot me. And if you want to shoot me with a money gun, all hundreds, period. First, we're going to start off by taking down this beautiful ponytail, which there will be a hair tutorial going up on how to do a slick back natural ponytail. But after we take that ponytail down, we're going to want to spray it so that we can begin to remold it, right? I put some gel up there, and so it was kind of, stiff, but we're gonna spray it down with some water so that we can loosen it up and remold it. Since my edges are already slicked down, okay, them babies are glued to my skin, I am trying to be very careful on not brushing them back because one, is gonna hurt, two, I just don't feel like remolding them. And so make sure when you are brushing your hair, you're really brushing it through and through. It's also really good to just make sure your hair is detangled. Now for me, my hair was already detangled, but like that middle be a little baby, that middle act like I don't give it no TLC. When I be pulling out my little curly cues in the back, this lady from my church, hey Shanice, if you watching, she be like, okay, back edges. Wait, is that what you say? I think you be saying back edges. Anyways, whenever you're doing a ponytail, adding some little extra curly pieces is just so freaking cute. So consider that the next time you are doing a high, a low, 2 pigtails, 3, 4, whatever you're doing. Just consider, bringing out other pieces of your hair to add more personality to your hairstyle. Sometimes it can be very difficult to do ponytails on natural hair because depending on how thick your hair is, it can be very difficult to get it super slick. As you guys will see at the end of this video, I did not get my ponytail super slick, but hey, it was slick enough, okay? And so after you have positioned your ponytail where you want it to be, make sure you put some rubber bands around it. I don't like super tight hair, so that could also be why I be having little lumps and bumps. This is where we start building the Lorax. And so now I'm gonna take a bunch of hair ties and just wrap it around my hair. This is going to build the trunk of the tree. When you are putting the hair ties around your hair, don't think about making them super tight unless you want the trunk of your tree to be thinner. Otherwise, you just wanna wrap it around until you feel like it is equal in circumference. As you put the hair ties on your hair, also step back and kind of play with the fluffy part, right? You might want more hair out, you might want less hair out. You got to play with it and see what your outfit and what your vibe is going for that day. Don't be afraid to step back, check yourself out, modify it. You want to make sure that you are comfortable and you are looking good and that you feel like, oh yeah, I ate that and ain't nobody gonna tell me otherwise. Here I'm spraying the loose hair down so that I can add some more curls to it. Now at this point my hair was already in a crisis before I did this hairstyle, and so I was reviving my curls back. Thankfully now my curls are fully back and my ends don't be looking fried, dyed, and laid to the side anymore. And so I did comb this out just so that I can add some conditioner, bring some curl into it, to just customize it. Obviously, if I wanted straighter hair, then that could have been a look too, but I did want some curls or crinkles to the hairstyle. After our trunk is established, now we are going to work on our branches, which is the loose hair at the top. Now I blow dried mine because my hair was still wet, and even after that little blow dry, it was still wet. However, dry hair is really good for shaping, and so I wanted to get it a little dry, and after I got it a little dry, I took a comb and just kind of fluffed it out. You guys, when you are doing natural hairstyles, do not be afraid to play with it. Switch it up, manipulate it, get your hands involved. You want to be very intimate with your hair because it's a hairstyle that you are wearing. Now y'all know how I said that sometimes it can be very difficult to slick your natural hair down. This is one of those moments. So any area that I felt like wasn't slick enough, yeah, I just used the bobby pin. And hey, if anybody was close enough to record and say, girl, why you got all them bobby pins in my hair? Why are you in my bubble? I hope you guys enjoyed this hair tutorial. This hairstyle was literally so cute, so cool, eclectic, and it's something different. So if you try it, let me know. I'll see you on the next video. Bye.